Hi everybody, this is a very brief update as to where we are with the CBR. Now I just picked it up from Display Associates and the decals are done. Come and have a look. So as you can see, they've done the decals. So as you can see, these are the decals that have just been done by Display Associates in town. I haven't seen the bike since I dropped it off until now, and I've just ridden it back from there, and holy hell, it wants to go. But here on the front guard, this is with the clear coat on, so this is what the final coat's going to look like once all this is done. And there's going to be a bit of work reassembling the headlight. It's quite fiddly getting that in and out. And the windscreen up here, I might end up replacing that. On my other CBR, I bought a new windscreen. Eagle Screens in Australia have the template to make these screens, so I might end up getting another one. But it's really interesting to compare this from when I first got it. A lot of the fairing panels were cracked and broken, and they've all been plastic welded up. And it was just really thick grey primer when I got it, and that may have been to hide the cracks, the dings, the scratches. But this has been taken back to its original colour that it came out of the factory. Right, thank you for joining me on that, guys, and stay tuned. So I'm now going to strip all that fairing off, get it into the painter who's going to clear coat it, and that's going to seal the decals in and protect them, and then we can get it down to Q and Honda and get it fine tuned and running, yeah, just as it should. But holy hell, when I brought it back from Display Associates, it just wanted to go. But with the other CBR that I had, I got them to balance the carbs and tuned it all up, and that thing ran like a Swiss watch. And we'll get this one as close to original as we possibly can. Thank you for watching.
Doggone it, you're right. It looks like they've ordered a sequel. Oh.